guys. 10 o'clock Eastern Time. Market's down about 76 points. Dow Jones and Nasdaq 73. Let's take a look at to see what's worth buying. By the way, Tesla here, I did short. Well, I got two short shares right here. One of them I did yesterday at 754. I think it'll go lower, so I'll wait on that. But generally, there's a bunch of stuff we have to look at. Let's take a look at Boeing first. Okay. It's I think Boeing will probably drop to about 213 or below 213. Maybe worth picking up, but not right now. So we'll just have to wait on that. Okay. Let's see. Let's just go direct to what's a good purchase and what's not. Okay, Amazon, definitely I want to pick up more Amazon, but it's expensive. I had two shares. I sold one yesterday at a gain, so I'm going to hold off on that. I think it's going to come down for sure. Get BlackRock. These are still going to be too high. I'm short on these. MicroStrategy definitely just going to go down lower for now. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, we've got a conversion here, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea even to go long on this. Beyond Meat. Went up to 221 and it's down on 105 and lowest is 99. I think dropped down more. But I think a lot of the companies beginning to develop their own Beyond Meat version, so I'm not even sure if that's worth looking at. Zoom is one. I'm building positions on. So you should do that too. Pick up one or two. That's expensive. I think my last two shares was today, but I picked it up from 293, $20 ago. So that will drop, probably more. But it'll bounce back, no question. Netflix again. We're waiting to go down more. Okay. EV battery company, LIT. Right here. Okay, by the way, you should build up your Chinese company. It's the same usual. Billy, Baba, Baidu, all of those guys. And casinos are definitely going down. They're probably going to go down more. I think there's going to be a decision within 45 days of what they're going to do, Chinese government. So we'll just have to wait on that. Here's one company I think is worth looking at. Double Y right here. I picked up 10 shares this morning. I'm probably going to build up some more positions on this. But just wait for it to go lower. I think it will drop down to lower, probably below 50. What else we have? Okay, I had to do 100 shares above a total because I wanted to sell calls on it on a weekly basis as an income. But that's why I was always at, I was at probably 80 to 90 yesterday, so I built up more positions for today. So I'll just write it down, maybe a little bit more. It'll bounce back. It's very close to that 152 we had about a month ago, so I think probably there's going to be a turnaround soon on this. Let's see. Let's go to the long. We're going to go to the long right here. Here's one you should pick up. Let's go to Rio. Mining. We'll do 10 shares. Okay, here's again 70, but remember the gap here, 71.80. And this is the 52-week low right here. I mean the high and low right here. I think probably 70.50 is a good number if we can catch it. That's real. Let's look at let's see here. Honeywell is a good company, but it's a little too early to touch that. SGen, I had a couple of 20 shares. I think I sold 10 yesterday. I'd like to pick up 10 more today. The 10 that I sold, $149.89. I would place my order at $149.90. Very close, $149.80. Put a refresh on this. I'll probably catch that. What else we have in here? Here's another one right here. I'm dropping for quite some time. IPGP. Laser manufacturer. Let's see. I think we have a good shot at 170 on this. This is not correct. Okay, it's up. Okay, what else we have in here? All the mining companies definitely coming down. Right, here's another one right here. NEM. I'd like to pick up 10 shares. 55.50. See this? It's a fair price. You may have to hold on to it for a couple of days. Or maybe not. So you can catch the 55.50. 3M, definitely the 3M. I'm going to triple M. I meant. I'd like to build up more positions on it. Right here. Started 37 so far. Started from 187 and it's 182. That's a smart purchase right here. See it? Your total loss is about only 140. When this bounces back, it'll bounce back big. So I'd like to pick up 5 shares. Um, 180, 180, I think would be a good price point on this one. Market may even go down below 200 today. Down. Very possible. If it does, we'll catch that. Yep, 180, 180. Let's see what else we're getting. Okay, NOC had a bunch of shares yesterday. I sold some. I'll wait for it to go down lower. Got 26 only positions. Okay, CAT is a good one right here as well. I think I sold some yesterday. CAT. Let's see what we can catch CAT at. CAT. All the industrial's been down this month. Go with 5 shares on this guy. I think 203.60 would be a good number if we can catch it. 203.60. We may catch that. Hmm. Apple for sure. I'd like to build up more positions in Apple. Apple's not going anywhere. Got 10 more shares at 147 if I can. And I'm going to sell calls on it. Picked up 10 shares of SGen. Let's see. Okay, PDD, I picked up 10 shares yesterday. I think we can pick up 10 more today. Let's close this guy. 97 is a good number for him. Okay, these are all limit orders. We don't know if we're going to catch them all, but if we can catch some at the price we're looking for, we'll be able to sell them. By the way, JD is another good one. It's very close to the 52-week low. I'd like to pick up 10 more of JD at 75. Looks like it's 75 is resisting to go lower. Okay, let's do a refresh to see where we are, to see if there's any new victim we have here. Okay, let's see. Amazon's still up there. I think I'm going to convert to BlackRock very soon, but it's still too early. Lear, right here. May want to go long on this, but I'm not quite sure yet. Let's see. Anything new popped up? Okay, LHX is still too high up. These are too high up. Let's go to the bottom of the list to see what we have that we can sell. Okay, EA, I picked up 10 shares yesterday. I know it was 140. I should have sold it, but it's okay. I'll catch it back again. Okay, Shake Shack, I picked up some shares yesterday. See it? Let's see if we have any gains here. Yes, we do. We have 10 shares at about $15, $25 gain, give and take. You can catch that, but I think it's the bottom for Shake Shack, so it should be able to go back up soon. I anticipate for that to go up to 100. FedEx, if I need to cash, I can take out flat gain, but it's okay. If we need it, we're safe. Dollar General is beginning to pick back up. If I need to sell some right here, I got 5 shares here, $15 gain I can dump. So these are the ones you build positions on. Build in equities. Here's another one, Norfolk Southern, right here. If you need cash, you can take out 10 shares, you can take out pretty much at no gain. It's okay if you need it. RL, for sure, it's a good company. You can take it out no gain. You use the cash if you need to. Let's see. Okay, here's another company that I've been telling you guys. Metafest. I know it'll go back up. This will go back up violently. You see it? I picked it up from 31 right here. Drop to 222, 10 points. Drop to 211, 5 shares right here. I can sell these 5 shares right now at $43 profit. But I'm going to wait on this one. I know that this one has a tendency to shoot up 10, 15 points at one session. Here you go, Seagate Technology right here. I can take out if I want to. $12 gain. See, at a down market, I have gains right here I can take out. Union Pacific right here. I can take out if I need to. I've got a small gain on it. But in any event, we have some gains here. We'll just hold off. Not large enough for me to take out because I don't need the cash. So market's pretty much flat, I think. It's going to be down. It's down more right now. And we'll wait for opportunities. I'm going to send you a recording on the WhatsApp if I see something that's worth buying. But otherwise, stick to your basic stocks you have in your portfolio. Double them up if you need to add up to the positions if you didn't fill them up yet.